28% of catastrophic engine failures stem directly from improper oil maintenance procedures. Shockingly, 65% of American drivers make fundamental errors during this essential automotive operation. These preventable mistakes cost vehicle owners an average of $1,400 annually in unnecessary repairs. Stay with me because I'm about to expose 15 devastating blunders that even seasoned mechanics occasionally make, plus the exact solutions to prevent them permanently. The first critical mistake involves reusing the previous oil filter gasket without detection. During removal, this rubber seal often remains stuck to the engine mounting surface unnoticed. Installing a new filter over the old gasket creates a catastrophic double seal failure. This situation causes massive oil loss within seconds of engine startup, and can destroy your engine completely. Always inspect the filter mounting surface thoroughly and ensure complete gasket removal before installation. Second major oversight, failing to remove the oil filler cap during the draining process. This negligence creates internal vacuum pressure that severely restricts oil flow from the drain plug. Consequently, substantial amounts of contaminated oil remain trapped within engine passages and components. This residual contamination reduces your oil change effectiveness by approximately 35%. Remove the filler cap immediately before opening the drain plug to ensure complete evacuation. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. It really helps me continue bringing you these invaluable technical insights. Third technical blunder, attempting to drain oil from a completely cold engine block. Cold oil maintains viscosity levels 6 times higher than properly warmed lubricant, according to industry standards. This thick consistency prevents complete evacuation of debris and metallic particles suspended throughout the system. Warm your engine for 10 minutes before draining to achieve optimal oil fluidity and evacuation. This simple step extends engine longevity by approximately 30% based on recent automotive studies. Fourth recurring problem, overfilling the crankcase beyond maximum capacity specifications. Excessive oil levels cause severe foaming that dramatically compromises lubrication system effectiveness. Air bubbles created reduce hydraulic pressure and can seize critical engine components permanently. Check oil levels systematically using the dipstick after allowing 12 minutes settling time. Oil must remain between minimum and maximum marks, never exceeding the upper limit under any circumstances. Fifth dangerous omission, skipping post-circulation oil level verification procedures. Once fresh oil circulates through the entire lubrication system, levels fluctuate significantly. New filters absorb approximately 3.5 deciliters during initial operation cycles. Monitor levels 18 minutes after engine operation and add oil when necessary. This verification also reveals potential leaks before they develop into major system failures. Sixth planning error, ignoring driving condition variables when scheduling oil changes. Urban driving patterns under 12 kilometers stress oil beyond normal parameters. These conditions prevent lubricant from reaching optimal operating temperatures consistently. Reduce change intervals by 35% for predominantly short-distance driving patterns. Heavy traffic conditions also demand more frequent maintenance due to increased thermal stress. Seventh installation mistake, mounting completely dry oil filters without pre-filling. Empty filters create dangerous lubrication delays lasting several critical seconds during startup. This vulnerable period increases component wear rates by 45% during initial operation. Fill new filters to 80% capacity with fresh oil before installation procedures. This ensures immediate lubrication protection from the first moment of engine operation. Eighth handling error, neglecting proper oil filter gasket lubrication before installation. Dry gaskets can tear during tightening or cause significant leakage problems later. Apply thin, fresh oil coating to gaskets before mounting procedures. This lubrication ensures proper installation and guarantees perfect system sealing throughout operation. Properly lubricated gaskets also remove more easily during subsequent maintenance procedures. Ninth torque mistake, over-tightening the drain plug beyond manufacturer specifications. Excessive torque values can permanently damage crankcase threads, requiring costly repairs. This deterioration sometimes necessitates complete oil pan replacement exceeding $1,000. Tighten drain plugs hand-tight plus 1/4 turn using appropriate wrench sizes. Follow manufacturer torque specifications precisely, typically between 28 and 38 foot-pounds. 10th mounting problem, applying excessive force when installing oil filters. 29% of filter failures result directly from improper installation techniques. Over-tightened filters can crack or become impossible to remove during future services. Hand tighten filters until gasket contact, then add exactly 3/4 turn maximum. This technique ensures proper sealing without risking component damage or removal difficulties. 11th, costly negligence, retaining old filters during oil change procedures. Used filters contain up to 2.5 deciliters of contaminated oil plus abrasive particles. These contaminants immediately mix with fresh oil and severely degrade lubrication properties. Replace filters mandatory with every oil change regardless of manufacturer interval recommendations. This practice doubles the effective lifespan of your fresh motor oil investment. 12th, measurement error, checking oil levels on uneven or sloped surfaces. Ground slopes of just 3 degrees distort dipstick readings by more than 1 deciliter. This inaccuracy leads to dangerous underfilling or harmful overfilling conditions. Position vehicles on perfectly level surfaces before conducting any oil level measurements. Wait 7 minutes after shutdown to allow complete oil drainage into the crankcase. 13th, supply chain mistake, using substandard or counterfeit oil filters. Cheap filters deteriorate rapidly and allow harmful contaminants to circulate freely. This failure can score friction surfaces and completely seize engine components. Choose reputable brands like Fram, Wix, or Mobil that meet strict OEM specifications. Saving a few dollars on filters can cost thousands in subsequent engine repairs. 14th, specification error, using incorrect oil viscosity for your engine requirements. Each engine demands specific viscosity grades and additive packages for optimal performance. Wrong oil consistency fails to protect adequately at high temperatures or impairs cold weather starting. Consult your owner's manual religiously for exact manufacturer oil specifications and requirements. Allow me to reveal 3 additional mistakes I encounter regularly in professional automotive service. 15th, overlook detail, neglecting drain plug and washer cleaning procedures. Old oil residue and metallic particles accumulate on drain plug threads over time. These contaminants can pollute fresh oil immediately upon contact during refilling procedures. Clean drain plugs thoroughly with lint-free cloths and inspect washer condition carefully. Replace drain plug washers every 3 services or when showing deformation signs. Defective washers cause persistent seepage that gradually empties the crankcase system. 16th, tool-related error, using inappropriate equipment for drain plug removal. Wrong-sized wrenches can round drain plug corners, making future removal extremely difficult. This damage often requires drilling out damaged plugs and rethreading oil pans. Invest in proper automotive-specific wrench sets for professional maintenance results. Socket wrenches provide better contact than open-end wrenches, reducing damage risks significantly. For stubborn filters, use strap wrenches instead of forcing with conventional tools. 17th, environmental mistake, performing oil changes during adverse weather conditions. Wind can blow debris into fresh oil during filling procedures, contaminating new lubricant. Rain dilutes oil consistency and promotes corrosion on exposed metal engine components. Always choose dry, sheltered environments for this delicate maintenance operation. If outdoor work becomes necessary, protect fill openings using filtered funnels exclusively. Timing considerations for oil changes deserve special attention from all vehicle owners. Avoid performing this service immediately after extended highway driving at high speeds. Superheated oil can cause severe burns and new gaskets may deform against extremely hot surfaces. Wait minimum 35 minutes after shutdown for temperatures to reach safe handling levels. This precaution also protects rubber system components from thermal damage during installation. Oil condition analysis provides valuable diagnostic information about internal engine health. Extremely dark oil indicates incomplete combustion or severely clogged air filtration systems. Bright metallic particles signal abnormal wear in rings, bearings, or valve train components. Milky consistency reveals coolant infiltration into the lubrication system, requiring immediate attention. These warning signs help predict expensive failures and adjust driving habits accordingly. Proper disposal of used oil represents a critical environmental responsibility for all drivers. 1 quart of motor oil contaminates up to 250 gallons of groundwater permanently. All auto parts stores and most service stations accept used oil for recycling free. This recovery enables reprocessing into base oil or industrial energy recovery applications. Never dispose of oil in storm drains, soil, or natural waterways under any circumstances. Oil change frequency varies significantly based on specific engine technology and design. Turbocharged engines require more frequent changes because elevated temperatures degrade oil faster. Diesel engines produce more soot contamination that thickens oil and clogs filters prematurely. Vehicles with particulate filters stress oil during regeneration cycles requiring adjusted intervals. Adapt maintenance schedules to these technical specifications for optimal performance and longevity. Fresh oil storage also demands specific precautions to maintain quality and effectiveness. Store containers in dry locations protected from temperature fluctuations and direct sunlight. Moisture can infiltrate poorly sealed containers, compromising original lubrication properties significantly. Oil exposed to freezing temperatures may experience permanent viscosity changes affecting performance. Use oil within 18 months of purchase to guarantee optimal protective characteristics. Here's an insider secret few professionals share. Magnetic drain plug technology benefits. This device attracts and captures microscopic metal particles suspended in circulating oil. These shavings result from normal component wear and accelerate overall lubricant degradation. Magnetic plugs trap these contaminants, maintaining cleaner oil for extended service intervals. This simple modification improves engine performance while slightly extending change intervals safely. Mastering these 17 critical points will save hundreds in maintenance costs while significantly extending engine service life. If you found these insights valuable, subscribe to my channel and enable notifications for upcoming technical tutorials. Share this video with fellow car enthusiasts who'll appreciate avoiding these expensive, preventable mistakes.